Ever wondered how to make the perfect homemade chocolate pudding? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a delicious journey to create a creamy, dreamy dessert that'll wow your taste buds. We'll be using simple ingredients like cocoa powder, sugar, and a dash of love. That's right, love. This isn't just about mixing things in a bowl, it's about creating something truly special. So buckle up and get ready for a sweet adventure. By the end of this video, you'll be a chocolate pudding expert. First things first, gather all the ingredients and tools for this delicious dessert. We'll need some sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, and cornstarch for that rich, chocolatey flavor and smooth texture. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Of course, we need milk and a touch of butter for creaminess. For the luscious whipped cream topping, grab some heavy cream and powdered sugar. And for our special toppings, let's get creative. Mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, or even crushed cookies will do the trick. Now let's talk about tools. A good, sturdy saucepan is a must-have for making the pudding. A whisk will help you blend the ingredients smoothly. And a set of lovely dessert bowls to serve your pudding in style. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in our pudding. From the cocoa that gives it its chocolatey soul, to the cornstarch that thickens it to just the right consistency. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to start cooking. Follow these simple steps to create the perfect pudding. Let's embark on this sweet culinary journey together. Step 1, let's start with the basic dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Mix these together until the color is a uniform, rich brown. Now, for step 2, it's time to move to the stove. Pour 3 cups of milk into a medium-sized saucepan. Gradually whisk in your dry mixture. This gradual addition ensures a smooth, lump-free pudding. With the heat set to medium, stir the mixture constantly. Patience is key here. This process might take up to 10 minutes, but the result is well worth the wait. You'll know it's ready when the mixture thickens and starts to bubble. Step 3 is all about the chocolate. Remove your saucepan from the heat and add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Step 4 involves setting the pudding. Pour your mixture into your chosen dessert dishes. To prevent a skin from forming, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding in each dish. Finally, step 5, let's chill. Place your dessert dishes in the fridge for at least 2 hours. If you can resist the temptation, letting it sit overnight will give you an even richer flavor and firmer texture. Remember, good things come to those who wait, and this wait will reward you with a creamy, rich, and utterly decadicious homemade chocolate pudding. And there you have it, the perfect homemade chocolate pudding. Up next, we'll make it even more irresistible with some special toppings. Stay tuned. No pudding is complete without some special toppings. To make your homemade chocolate pudding even more delightful, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or even some fresh fruits. With these toppings, your chocolate pudding is now ready to be served. So, that's how you make the perfect homemade chocolate pudding. Remember, it's all about combining the right ingredients, following the steps carefully, and adding those special toppings. Each step is crucial to creating this mouth-watering dessert. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate pudding with whipped cream and special toppings.